So it's been a while since we uploaded a video, but today we're going to be installing a rear sway bar for the Mazda 6. It's from Corksport and it's 25 millimeters. Alright, so this is how it came in the mail. It's in this pretty long box. Oh shit! I'm using a screwdriver to open this shit, which is not good.
Everyday tools.
Dude, this is terrible.
It's alright.
There it is. This is trash. Ooh. Oh man. This thing's pretty heavy, I'm not even gonna lie. Just to show a quick comparison between the two, as you can tell, the Corksport one is much thicker and seems to be a little bit longer actually.
So right here you can see it next to the end link. The Corksport Rear Sway Bar is a lot thicker, so it's definitely more noticeable when it's installed, and it just needs to get bolted down with a few more nuts and we'll be good.
Alright, so I just installed the rear sway bar and I noticed it has a slight interference to it. I'm wondering if this is going to be a problem.